Ever wondered about the beating heart of Lunar Bank, the place where financial innovation takes shape? It's a question that's piqued the curiosity of many, and today, we're diving deep to uncover the answer. Lunar Bank, a digital banking pioneer, has rapidly gained traction in recent years. Its sleek app, innovative features, and customer-centric approach have disrupted the traditional banking landscape. But where is this digital revolution being orchestrated? The headquarters hunt. Unlike traditional banks with towering headquarters, Lunar Bank's operations are more dispersed. This is a testament to the digital age, where physical locations are becoming less central to business operations. However, while Lunar Bank doesn't have a singular, iconic headquarters like a Wall Street titan, it does have key operational hubs. These hubs are strategically located around the globe, enabling the bank to serve its diverse customer base efficiently. Key operational hubs. While the exact locations of these hubs can fluctuate, here are some of the primary regions where Lunar Bank has a significant presence. Europe. Nordic countries. Given Lunar Bank's origins in the Nordic region, countries like Denmark, Sweden, and Norway are crucial operational hubs. These countries have a strong tech ecosystem and a progressive approach to financial innovation. Asia. Singapore. Singapore's robust financial infrastructure and strategic geographic location make it an ideal hub for Lunar Bank's Asian operations. The city-state's commitment to technological advancement aligns well with Lunar Bank's vision. North America. United States. The U.S. market is a significant growth area for Lunar Bank. While a physical headquarters in the U.S. might not be immediate, the bank is likely to establish key operational hubs in tech-centric cities like San Francisco, New York, or Boston. The future of headquarters. As technology continues to evolve, the traditional concept of a single, centralized headquarters is becoming increasingly outdated. For companies like Lunar Bank, a distributed model offers several advantages. Increased efficiency. By spreading operations across multiple time zones, Lunar Bank can operate 24/7, optimizing productivity and response times. Enhanced innovation. A diverse workforce from different cultural backgrounds can foster creativity and innovation. Risk mitigation. A decentralized approach can mitigate risks associated with geopolitical events or natural disasters. While Lunar Bank doesn't have a single, iconic headquarters, its global network of operational hubs ensures seamless operations and innovative services. As the digital banking landscape continues to evolve, Lunar Bank is well-positioned to adapt and thrive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.